let's dive into the ultimate fate of our home galaxy, the Milky Way.
So, are we really on a collision course with our cosmic neighbor, the Andromeda galaxy? The answer is a definite yes. And get this, the first touch has already happened. Right now, Andromeda is hurtling towards us at a blistering 110 kilometers per second.
But wait, isn't the universe expanding? Yes, but in our neighborhood, gravity's pull is just stronger.
That first contact, it's between their vast, invisible halos of dark matter. They're already interacting. This whole thing is a slow dance over billions of years. Let's check out the timeline.
In about 4 billion years, that first pass will rip out these long, beautiful streams of stars.
But here's the big question. Do the actual stars smash into each other? Nope, that's a myth. The space between stars is so huge, they'll just glide right past. The real action is when massive gas clouds slam together, sparking a huge burst of starbirth.
Okay, so if stars don't hit, what does that actually mean for our solar system?
We're just passengers along for the ride. Our whole solar system will get tossed into a new orbit. We'll likely be pushed far out, but there's even a small chance we get ejected completely. After that long dance, the two spirals finally merge into a totally new type of galaxy.
Meet Andromeda, a massive new elliptical galaxy that's bigger, rounder, and way smoother than ours.
And at its heart, the two supermassive black holes will merge into a monster weighing 150 million suns. So the final verdict's for Earth. Does humanity actually survive this whole thing? Surprisingly, no. The collision won't be what gets us. The real deadline is much closer to home. You see, our sun will start to die and expand into a red giant before the merger is even finished.
So Earth's habitable era ends way before Andromeda is even fully formed.
It'll be the most spectacular sky imaginable, but our world won't be here to witness it.